Does anyone else have a friend that tries to make everything you say dirty? Like, you could be talking about puppies and they'll still find a way to say something freaky. Because I was at the gym one time with my friend and I was deadlifting, but I was doing way more weight than I should have. So when I tried lifting it up, I hurt something in my back. Right when this happened, I immediately dropped the weight and grabbed my back. So my friend was like, bro, what's wrong? But this is where I messed up because I said, my back. I think I blew out my back. And instead of being like, oh my gosh, how can I help? He just starts laughing and goes, oh yeah? Did it feel good when you got your back blown out? Keep in mind, I am literally unable to move because of how bad this hurt. But all this man could think of is to make a joke about it. I can't even judge him though because I'm like this too. It's just natural.